In this video, we'll take a look at what resources are in SAP EWM and what the SCWM RSRC transaction is used for. Basically, the SCWM RSRC transaction is used to create and manage resources in EWM, SAP's Extended Warehouse Management System. EWM distinguishes between various resource types, each characterized by different properties. The most important of these include employees who perform manual tasks in the warehouse, vehicles that transport goods within the warehouse, robots, conveyor systems, and other automated warehouse systems, as well as MDE devices. The latter are used as mobile resources in the so-called radio frequency, or RF for short, framework. Resources serve a wide variety of functions. Fundamentally, resources are used within warehouse management to streamline material flows. Resources are the necessary objects required in the warehouse to process tasks. This is achieved by assigning resources to work areas and task areas. Depending on the area, the resource stored in the system is activated to process the task. Let's now turn to the question of how the transaction is used to manage resources. Similar to many other transactions in EWM, the SCWM RSRC also offers multiple functions within a single interface. Once the transaction is started, it first displays all resources that have already been created and their associated properties. These include, for example, their assignment to a resource group or a so-called standard terminal. Note, however, that the transaction will appear empty if no resources have been created yet. In this case, resources must be created. This can be done by starting edit mode in SCWM RSRC. Once activated, existing resources can also be modified or removed.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.